Hey guys, welcome back to London's World. In this video, I'm going to show you how I got these really cute unicorn braids. If you want to see how it's done, then keep watching. So I started off with my hair washed and blow dried. Me and my mom went to the hair store and we just bought a bunch of different color hair. I don't remember what I was saying in that clip, but I was just having fun. My hair is really crazy. First, we're going to start with styling gel. This gel smells like cupcakes. So right now, my mom is smoothing down my edges. Then she's going to section it in 2 parts. This is Blueberry Bliss Front Curls. This is just a leave-in conditioner to soften my hair. So right here, my mom is sectioning the parts that are going to be braided. This part was actually the fastest. In the back, just doing the same thing. I'm so silly. So this style is going to be like a braided ponytail. Ooh, I love this pink color. So it's going to go big braid, small braid, big braid, small braid, and that's just going to keep repeating. Holy moly, do you see how fast my mom braids? Yeah, I was kind of having fun with this hair. I love this color. It's my favorite. And the purple unicorn color. And the last color is this gorgeous, beautiful blue ocean color. Then we just repeat the same colors in the back. Yes, honey, this is the final look. Don't you just love how these colors look all together? You guys are the best. Thanks for watching. Gotta catch you next time. Bye.